Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Hobby Lobby clearance haul. And yes, I found some dies. I was not able to get in on the die sale before, or rather, they didn't have what I actually wanted. But this time, when I seen some, I picked some up. All right, so um, in the sticker section, they do have some things on sale. I'm not high on stickers, so I only got the ones that I actually liked. So, anyways, and this is what I got, and it has the same thing on both sides. And I seen Tina Bean haul this, and I went ahead and picked those up. I was out there yesterday and then today. And I always see Cuddle Me Claytay using this die here, and so I thought I'd pick this up. So glad I waited. That's the price there. And I finally was able to get these. I was so excited when I seen these. There goes the price there. And then today I picked up this, as well as this fireplace here. This here. Hopefully you're seeing the prices. And I so wanted this one, and I was so glad I was able to pick that up for, I want to say it's almost 90% off. And then this one here. I debated on this one, but I went ahead and got it. I should have showed you the pictures on the back side. I like that style there. And then I really love the rectangle there. So some of these dies I was on the fence about, but I figured if I don't use them or decide not to get them, I can take them back. So, but as of right now, they are mine. I think I'm going to keep them all though. I did not do a Hobby Lobby clearance haul before because I didn't get dies, but who knows? Let me know if you want to do the Hobby Lobby clearance haul challenge, and I might go ahead and do that. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.